this is the second review that I'm going to be doing on my Cup It washing machine now that I've had it for about a good month. Okay, so today I have the tube connected to the sink. You always want to have it a little low. You don't want to have it all the way up with full pressure, because then the little tube will fall off, disconnect, and water will go everywhere. So as you see, the tube is inserted into the washing machine, and right there you can see the water is filling up the washing machine. So it takes about a good, I would say, 10 minutes to get to where I need it. This would be considered a full load. I love the washing machine. A few things that I've done, or that I've learned from the first time I did my review, is that after using it, you want to leave both doors open, because if you just leave it closed after a wash, accumulation of water and mist, builds along the sides, and then, as you would expect, mold will start to develop. So after I wash my clothes, I leave the doors open, and then I just, with my little rag, I give it a pat dry around, dry it off, and make sure everything is nice and dry. And then also I notice on the sides here of the spinner, if you move it to the side, you can also kind of reach your hand, or I use a little stick with the rag on the end, and I dry down there too, because mold can start to develop down there if you don't keep up with it and keep it nice and dry. So that's just another thing that I wanted to add and let all the users know, that make sure you keep your doors open after you use it and allow the air to ventilate through it and to dry it. Because if you just keep everything closed right after using it, you're trapping in the moisture and mold will begin to develop. And you don't want that, especially when you're washing your clothes. So right now it is filling up, and I went and I got some more. It's funny because once you get one of these little things, if you don't already have a in-house washer and dryer, you start to get real creative, or start to get real picky about your laundry detergents and stuff like that. And I usually was really cheap with it. I would just get, probably just one of these and be done. But now I'm getting my Tides and my OxyCleans, and I'm taking my time doing it. And I love the way it makes the house smell too. But I'm not using the bucket. I'm going to use the draining system in the sink. Last time I did it, we had just went to the beach, so there was a lot of sand in the washing machine, and that's why I was using the bucket and dumping it in the toilet, because I didn't want to clog my sink. But this is my second review on the Cup It, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and remember, after use, keep your doors open and let the air ventilate through it so it can dry out. All right, peace, love, stay true to yourself, love one another, and bye.